Music is life, music is me, music is Mavin. My name is Don Jazzy, aka Don Dorobuchi, or Janta Manta, anyone you like calling. And you're watching Video Wheels, so shake one.
We ain't even got a track on it. I got many blessings, I could brag on it. I've been through the fire, I could talk on it. And I heard it on the street that they got love for me.
It's no longer news that the marriage between Tiwa Savage and T-Bills has hit the rocks in a hard way, and from indications and comments from lovers of this brand, it seems the both of them aren't going to be coming back anymore as a couple. Today we'll be giving you 7 reasons why we believe T-Bills should not have bashed Tiwa Savage on social media.
No be say them say, no they to like say you know no. No be say them say, my brother.
Firstly, we believe T-Bills helped build Tiwa's brand, and you can't take that away from him. Whatever anyone has said about this couple doesn't take away the fact that Tiwa's success in the Nigerian music industry today can be well attributed to T-Bills' hard work from the scratch. Knowing this fact, we do believe that T-Bills shouldn't have publicly said anything he did, as it might have destroyed what he took years to build up. Another reason this shouldn't have happened is because Tiwa is the mother of his child. It is a belief in the Nigerian culture that a woman who has a child for you should mean a whole lot to you and that you should be protective of her always. But with T-Bills coming out to spill all he had on Tiwa, it's safe to believe that T-Bills didn't take this fact into consideration. T-Bills, due to the heartbreaking depression he went through, might have actually bruised some of his friends on the face. When he came out to accuse Tiwa of cheating on him, he called out the likes of Tubaba, Dr. Sid and Don Jazzy. These three, from what we know, were close associates with T-Bills and have been caught on camera on several occasions. So T-Bills coming out to say that Tiwa cheated on him with his friends might have actually cost him the trust of these friends that he works with.
If you won't retire, make you come collect your pension. Cause I did come with fire, you know I don't need to mention. Anything where them do, they know if it make me change formation. As I bring this gyration, almost he's standing ovation.
Number 4. Days after T-Bills' outburst on Instagram, as people predicted, Tiwa Savage also came out in an interview on an outburst. She revealed a whole lot about their marriage that should have best been kept as a secret, and this made Nigerians see T-Bills in another light. We do believe there's no reaction without an action, and if T-Bills hadn't spoken, definitely Tiwa Savage wouldn't have had anything to reply. Another reason we believe T-Bills shouldn't have come out on Instagram is that if he didn't, he wouldn't have lost his pedigree and societal importance. Now, from the tantrum of words that have gone around between T-Bills and Tiwa, one is forced to believe that there will be loads of opinions on who is the saint and devil in the relationship. Number 6. The social media platforms allow every and anybody to say whatever they want to, so long they aren't infringing on someone else's rights. Since T-Bills took to his Instagram page to say what he said, he has exposed himself and his family to social media bashing and cyberbullying. So far, there have been loads of unhealthy comments about their relationship, and some have been very nasty and undeserving to the couple. And finally, on a lighter note, we believe that T-Bills' outburst on Instagram has alerted Nigerians to a lot of private issues going on in his life, including the fact that there's an edible catering personality that Nigerians are looking out for now. LOL.
Friends, they come and go, but you know leave me alone. Waiting, I never see. Waiting, I never see. Waiting, I never hear. Waiting, I never hear. You are take survive. You are take survive.
Well, this is where we draw the curtains on 7 reasons why we think T-Bills shouldn't have bashed Tiwa Savage on social media.
Don't go away.